Oh my god. It's a Tata car, baby. And when you touch the steering, look at your reaction. T factor is the trust factor, and that's the Tata's philosophy. I'm kind of a coining a marketing, tagline. Tata, you must give some kind of commission if you if you take this kind of a line from me.
It's not about us, it's the tank.
It's the tank. Yeah.
If you ride inside, it will be a tank.
Okay, boot space. Here you go. And Dhurandhar 3 का part 3 रिवील हो चुका है. I didn't put any. Oh my god, damn! I didn't put a single inch of my leg into that accelerator. Now you can see that the symbol. This is a symbol that I am talking about. The entire philosophy of this symbol is not to just make a car, right? It's like giving you the trust factor. Like they particular target the trust factor.
It's not about us, it's the tank.
It's the tank. Yeah.
If you ride inside, it will be a tank. Otherwise, it's just unbeatable.
Right, absolutely.
Right
It's
now, no one the brand, even the Tata Punch has a good safety and all. But if you run this one, Tata Punch is little bit lower than the power version. This is the fully automatic.
Right.
But I never feel a smaller lag.
yeah, absolutely.
The
So much
engine is
efficient the engine
mind-blowing.
is. Yep.
At the same time, it's so smooth and so powerful.
So powerful, absolutely. This is a tank, as Ravi said, because it's not just a car. It's look like a small mini kind of car, which is like it's not actually hold that much value. But when you sit inside of that particular car, then that particular time you realize that Ravi was right. It's a tank. Absolutely, it's a tank. Let's come to the main section, which is the cabin area. Okay, so when you go inside the cabin, you can see there are a lot of button, and all of that button have its own practicality. I'm not even kidding. AC buttons, tap, zing, 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 all those things. AC ramp, nice and clean, nice and smooth. Here you go. Great. AC buttons, here you go. Great. Right. Okay, here you go. There are controls button, right? The gear box, the sport, like the mode box, and handbrake. There are a lot of necessary space here where you can put all the stuff. Infotainment system, the cabins, light, and all those things. Most importantly, the steering. Oh my god. It's a Tata car, baby. And when you touch the steering, look at your reaction. and I'm not kidding. It's a Tata car. The entire steering, the moment.
Right now, its steering is up and down. The steering is not wholly rounded.
It's a cut.
If you have a bigger belly, so it will help.
Right.
Ride this
Makes
one.
sense.
Okay.
Right.
And even you don't have to look on these logos and all. Even the car is straight, you will get to know easily. And the handling, you don't need to hold every time. You can grab any side of this on one hand and ride it. That's
So for the comfort of it,
yeah, in India, like,
people
I
used
think
to used to what, like
5-4 years ago, this kind of a setup of a
car handling.
car handling, it's a luxury.
Yeah,
Right now,
absolutely.
Tata make it necessary.
Absolutely. That's why I am saying all the time, T factor is the trust factor, and that's the Tata's philosophy. I am kind of a coining a marketing, tagline. Tata, you must give some kind of commission if you if you take this kind of a line from me. Let's start with one thing, because Tata all the time,
Just starting with the one thing,
Okay.
which will be the last people least take care, the leg space.
Interesting.
See, if I am 5'8", and see the leg space.
Right.
I am comfortably able to sit here.
Uh-huh.
And with the Tata, we have a headrest.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
this is the cool thing.
Uh-huh.
3 passengers sit together easily.
Easily, yeah.
The
Head
head,
space
you can see still 4 or 5 inches there.
Right.
So 6 feet people easily able to exist.
Right.
The second thing I like, people are saying Tata has very less feature, kind of. But I can see what is the required feature. It's all about the feature loaded car.
Right.
Every feature is awesome.
Which are like practical also, say?
Yesterday night I have riding this one,
Mm-hmm.
and when I turn any side in a low
Mm-hmm.
speed, I see there is a side light is blowed up. Okay,
Ah,
and
the
I
corner
can
light.
see the corner
Corner.
light, so
Yeah,
it
yeah,
will
yeah,
be very helpful.
yeah.
But I never seen Volkswagen
Mm-hmm.
or
Any
other brand like
Mm-hmm.
Chevy
Mm-hmm.
or Maruti.
Mm-hmm.
Maruti,
Yeah, 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 yeah,
definitely.
yeah,
But
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
Chevy and
Mhm.
I was thinking Chevy and Volkswagen, these
Mhm.
are the
Mhm.
car.
Mhm.
Okay,
Ravi was talking about that light. When he turned on that light, and when he was like, removing the like steering and all that kind of stuff, that light was going into that corner side. Like how much effective that light it could be. You can imagine, and you can like, think about it, like how practical they make actually the car.
when you sit here
Mhm.
or in the back,
Mhm.
you feel the weight of the car.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's look like a tank.
Tank,
But
absolutely.
when you hit the
Accelerator,
it's like
rocket. Interesting. And one thing I really wanted to add here, like it's a Indian car, because it is not manufactured at any Europe or something like that. Yeah, it can be designed at the outside of India, but whatever the feature which is actually loaded in this car is all the actually required to fulfill all the Indian necessity, because there are a lot of gadda. That's why they like give like that big of ground clearance. There are a lot of technicalities that they make easily simple and make it available to all the passenger or all the driver, that they can drive something like that, right?
no lot of features are loaded
Uh-huh.
in this variant.
Uh-huh.
This is not a top model,
Yeah.
not in a below model.
Yeah.
This is a model where you get the required feature,
Required
all the
feature.
required features.
Right.
Here you can see all those things
Mm-hmm.
easily visible. Even in the night, it is not irritating. And the second thing I noticed is the airbags.
Airbags, yeah, there are plenty of it.
There are plenty of airbags.
Yeah, absolutely.
I just speechless when I first time see.
Mhm.
Here is we all know here is the airbag, here is the airbag.
Yeah.
Two airbags.
Yeah.
Now we can see there is a one airbag here.
Yep.
There is a one airbag here.
Yep. 2, 3, 4.
Total 6 airbags in this car.
Yeah, we can say like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right?
Right.
Interesting.
Earlier Tata used to know that there is cooling is not enough.
Yep.
But right now,
Mhm.
the cooling is like you can imagine it's make a chill.
That symbol, when you see like a T symbol, it's not a car company, or it's not an industrial company. It's a company which actually relies on people's trust. The entire philosophy of that company is to gain, like they can trust. The T factor is actually the trust factor. This is a cabin which is looking great. And also we will give you a lot of information about the leg space and how much the like all those clearance it has. It fairly contains three people easily. And here you go, the back side, the back look absolutely stunning. It's okay. Boot space, here you go. And Dhurandhar 3 का part 3 रिवील हो चुका है. But jokes aside, damn, too much of tank space, too much of
You
tank.
can sit it
Easily, yeah, I can sit it, and if somebody, Ravi Bhaiya, can kidnap me here and go to somewhere for the Dhurandhar 3 part shooting and all that. But no, jokes aside, lot of space. Stephanie and lot of toolkit. Also, all things are there. T factor is the trust factor. Tata, again, if you are making this particular thing your marketing thing, contact. I think it's all practicality, like
Yeah,
how
it's
it
all
can help the
practicality.
user at the very bottom. The first initial look of this Tata Nexon is not a car, as Ravi told you earlier. It's a tank. It's a freaking tank. If you will only going to realize the moment you're going to sit inside
No.
that car.
I don't want to name some car brand name here, but the simple thing is, if you take any Uber or Ola, you know which car will become.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
then
yeah.
I am not taking the name.
Indirectly, not.
Indirectly.
Yeah.
But sitting on that particular car and now sitting in this car, you can understand it's not a car.
It's a tank. Absolutely, it's a tank with
It's
power.
totally different. It is totally different comfort area, totally different of weight, engine capacity and all. It's totally different. Before 10 years, I didn't think that in this price point, India can be launched like this car. But
Yeah,
right now,
yeah.
it's
A
all
car-
about Tata.
Tata, it's all about Tata. Pedal the brake, seat belt, because you know Tata T factor, trust factor, safety is first. Because अगर मैं नहीं लगाऊंगा तो फिर ये टू 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 you know वो हम लोगों को experience हो गया है. It's not, it's very annoying. Anyways, dashboard, damn, Tata. Oh my god, I can't appreciate more because of this. See, so efficient that it didn't actually make you feel like there is not sound or all, nothing. RPM meter in the dashboard, focus हो जा भाई, हाँ हो गया. RPM meter,
Windows उठा.
हाँ. And here you see all the things which are necessary: time, gear like gear thing, seat belt and all those things. And there is the steering wheel. Great. Okay, all those steps. First thing, brake, power brake, and wait, let me give you drive mode.
Reverse.
This is reverse, this is Newton, and this is drive, right?
Neutral. Yes.
Yeah.
Lose the brake slowly, it will automatically roll over.
Yeah, damn. I didn't put any. Oh my god, damn! I didn't put a single inch of my leg into that accelerator.
See, you can see that.
Yeah.
You can just leave it smallly. And
Here you go. And the pull, the torque power. Come on, Tata, you are doing a fantastic job. Damn. Oh god, that is looking so good. Ooh, no jhatka fatka, nothing at all. Kuch bhi nahi. Okay, wait. Here you go. No khadda fadda, nothing. Like, see?
No, we are not in road. See?
We are in a khadda fadda rasta.
And it is nothing.
The suspension is working fine. Everything is working absolutely perfectly. Yeah, one thing which I was saying when I was talking with Ravi Bhaiya, that you can see the edge of those bottom from here, and it is so,
like a SUV.
Yeah, like a SUV, and it is like,
suppose if you are in a driver's seat and you are seeing this bonnet and all from here, the height I am taking from the camera is exactly same, and exactly same way I am trying to replicate. See, now you can exactly feel. Now you can put some acceleration.
Okay, here you go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, automatic. Damn, I am first time automatic. The brake is also like, like putting its power on automatically. Okay, wait, let me test it again. That is acceleration, acceleration, and now what I did, I just put my like left foot out of that acceleration, and the brake automatically put in engaged. Can like am I coming to the camera or like
sorry.
because in the editing I have to like think about where I am. The viewer will be like, who is talking? What Ravi Bhaiya told me na, it was a tank, because it is a tank. I am not feeling any gadda fadda or any hitch like hitchki and something, like nothing is there. You can see the road. See, there is a, like, it is an entire off-road type of road, and there is like all those gadda.
Interesting. See
go.
this car. Sorry.
That is a car, yeah. That's a dual-wheel car, absolutely. I am driving this right now in a area which is totally off track, which is totally uber khabar, which is where you really feel like कि भाई ये कौन सा road है, ये road है कि क्या है भाई, मतलब that kind of road it is. And you can see in the video, we were like driving from like last 2 or 3 minutes, we didn't find any jump and anything like that, because
right now it's a big gadda is coming, and we are passing through it, and see the stability of camera.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
you can understand we don't have any gimbal kind of thing to handle this.
And
this is crazy. If you leave the acceleration, it will automatically push it in the uphill.
Okay. Like, see my leg.
See,
you can see, right?
there is no acceleration, but it is keep pulling on the top. There is no issue to pulling on the top. it's easily able to pull the car with identify that particular area has
Oh
a
my
uphill
god.
and all.
Damn impressed, bro. Like
It's
it's damn crazy. The torque is
it's crazy, man.
it's elephant. Actually, it's elephant because like see, it was a very hard hard hill, and we will able to got there past the hill without even giving any kind of acceleration as such. Okay, so now we are on the highway. The what is speedometer score 20, 27, 30, 32, 33, 34.
You can feel the changing the gear smoothly.
Yeah, automatically it is happening because it is an automatic car. Okay. Okay, great. Damn, I didn't feel like I am driving a car. I am feeling like, I am just driving. I'm just sitting at home and playing like car stimulation game or something on PS5 or like something like that. It is so freaking silent. You can't even like hear any noise at all. Yep, it's fine. Now let me give you the honest.
Oh, honest. What about honest?
Oh,
It's
what
not
is
about
honest?
It's about
freaking
freaking crazy, man.
experience. Yeah, on the same page because you are watching me last 5 minutes or so, and I am driving this car with so much of smoothness and so much of without any kind of lag or without any kind of jhatka wala car, because the car is so smooth, the car is so efficient when it's come to engine, when it's come to suspension, when it's come to gear automation and everything. I love this car because it's got all
It's
its cover.
about not about if you planning buying a car with 10 lakhs or 12 lakhs. Okay, so most people right now in a middle class or upper middle class, they will get a loan, car loan only.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Let me show
I
your
can-
face
uh,
while you're talking.
Yes.
Yeah.
The thing is that think in a smart way. Okay, if you are investing 10 lakhs, you can put 2 lakhs more. Okay, and get it Nexon. Okay, so it will give you a long-term benefit.
Right.
It's not about just a safety. It's not about just a comfort. It's all about the overall experience you were able to gain last 10 years, because most of the car owner are getting car for at least 10 years.
Right.
Okay.
Right. At least 10 years. Yeah.
10 years.
Yeah.
And the build quality that Tata is provided, okay, it's more than 10 years. But I am just
Interesting.
hypothetically saying,
Yeah.
if you are investing for 10 years, it will be a great value for money. And okay, yeah, it will be a great value for money. And it's not about Tata and all. I am saying
It's
whenever
more.
you need to a car or buy something, buy a car, take a driving test. Then you will be able to feel the crazy.
Right.
Don't go with the YouTubers,
What people are
bloggers,
saying.
or
Yeah.
your parents
Yeah,
or
yeah.
your someone else.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
you just go with the your intuition when you are driving.
Yeah, the experience
The
that you go
experience.
for the like driving test and
Yes.
at the very first place whatever the YouTuber are saying, because they are showing their own point of view, right? You have to get your own point of view when you go and ride the car and show feel the car, feel everything, feel all the feature by getting a free test ride, because all those companies giving you the test ride to get the experience, right? Then you should conclude all those thoughts in your head. And because of the bonnet, I can navigate through all the edges like butter, like smooth, because I know where my car is going. I know like each and every inch of my car where its tire is going.
You are experienced guy for
Oh
this
my God.
particular purpose.
No,
But
my guru is here, my driving guru is here, so all the things he is saying, it is just gratitude of him. So don't
no. If you say the experience of road, like experience of plane, the pilot is run, okay, that is countable. So here, if I say, I know initial guidance I have given, but now he is drive more than me, more than 3 times me. Okay, so his experience is now wild. Okay, the thing is that, okay, if you are able to afford a Tata Nexon, okay, so you are not able to feel that only you are owning a car. You are
Limitation.
owning an experience,
Yeah,
and that particular experience come with the price.
absolutely.
And I really believe that when every product,
Mm-hmm.
not about the car and all.
Mm-hmm.
So every product, there is a value for money. Okay, and when you are pinch that point,
Mhm.
okay, you will get a great comfort, great luxury,
Right.
and along with the safety and all.
Right.
Okay, but yeah, Indian mindset has to be. Indian mindset is growing right now,
Mhm.
and we are getting lot of good cars from the car manufacturers.
Mhm.
Okay, with the safety and all.
Mm-hmm.
So I can say it's a good investment for the people who are taking their life seriously,
Yeah, absolutely.
and they wanted to feel a luxury item within a budget segment.
Right.
Because I have never ride a Jeep Compass or something Corolla, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
A Skoda I have ride one time,
Mm-hmm.
and the experience was awesome.
Right.
Skoda Rapid something. So
Right.
it's totally different brand, different price segment and all.
Uh-huh.
I don't have to compare on this,
Uh-huh.
but this is the price point. This is the value of money. This is where you able to reach a particular standard where both are
Meet.
Meet
Yeah,
at the same time.
At the same time,
your
right.
your pocket friendly,
Uh-huh.
as well as your luxury. You will get the price. It's awesome.
Time to say
Goodbye.
goodbye. Yeah.
And we will come back soon.
Soon,
with a long
absolutely.
ride.
Absolutely. That's a great way to put it. Anyways, see you soon, guys.